In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a bookmark manager in Notion in just 5 minutes. Notion is a powerful and versatile tool that offers a range of functionalities, making it perfect for creating a custom bookmark manager. Whether you're trying to organize research links, articles to read later, or any other web-based resources, Notion can help you keep everything in one place. So let's get started on creating your very own bookmark manager. First, you'll want to open up Notion. If you're new to Notion, it's available both as a web app and a desktop application, so feel free to use whichever version you're comfortable with. Once you're inside Notion, the next goal is to create a new page. You can do this by navigating to the left sidebar, clicking on Add a Page, and naming it something that suits your needs, like My Bookmarks, or simply Bookmarks. With your new page ready, it's time to add a table view, which will serve as the main structure for your bookmark manager. Click on Add a View, select Table, and then name it according to its purpose. In this case, Bookmarks. This table will allow you to list all your saved bookmarks in a neat, organized manner. Next, it's important to add properties to your table. Properties in Notion act like fields or columns in a spreadsheet, allowing you to add more details to each entry. Common properties for a bookmark manager might include the URL, the title or name of the bookmark, the date it was added, and maybe even tags or notes. These fields will help you keep your bookmarks detailed and searchable. We'll now make it easier to add new entries by implementing a button in Notion. Simply type / button on your page, and you'll see an option to create a button. Name this button Add Bookmark, because that's exactly what it will do. Add new bookmarks to your table with just a click. Once your button is added, configure its action. You'll select New Page in Database. This option will pop up a new entry form whenever you press the button, allowing you to seamlessly enter information for a new bookmark. In order to ensure that new entries are added to the correct place, make sure you choose Bookmarks as the database. Now that you have everything set up, consider setting default values for ease and consistency. For example, you might set a default tag or date based on your normal workflow. Finally, why not add a personal touch by creating beautiful custom views? Notion allows you to switch between different view types, like a gallery or list, offering a different perspective on your data. You can also apply filters or sort by various fields to optimize how you interact with your saved bookmarks. There you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created your own functional bookmark manager in Notion. This setup will not only help you keep track of your favorite links, but also make finding and managing them a breeze. Enjoy your newly organized digital space.